Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Haura Khoerunnisa Badriarti. Today I would like to tell you about my research. The topic of my research is potency of Guava Fruitghur on total cholesterol level. For the introduction, hypercholesterolemia can increase the risk factor of many diseases, for example, atherosclerosis, coronary heart disease, and many more. Patients who already have hypercholesterolemia can take treatment to lowering cholesterol. For the first one, patient can take drugs. One drug that is often used to lower cholesterol is simvastatin. Patients can also lower cholesterol by modifying diet and consuming probiotic and fruit. Probiotic is a product that uses lactic acid bacteria, and Fruitghur is a drink like a yogurt and made from fruit is fermented by lactic acid bacteria. Fruitghur contain lactobacillus, which can inhibit the formation of cholesterol in the blood, and red guava contain water-soluble fiber, which can reduce cholesterol levels. For the research purpose, the purpose of this study was to determine the effect of giving red guava fruit on total blood cholesterol level in male with strain rats induced by a high-fat diet. For the research method, the research design used is an experimental laboratory, and the research subject used white rats with strain, which were divided into 5 treatment groups, and the research object is red guava, which is fermented by Lactobacillus acidophilus. For the research process, first we preparation of the research, and then we making red guava juice, and we make bacterial suspension, and we make red guava fruit. For the animal preparation, we divide it into 5 groups, and then first we making a high-fat diet. We making high-fat diet and giving the high-fat diet to the rats for 14 days. And at the end, as we take the blood and with measurement of total cholesterol level. And then we continue to giving the rats Fruitghur for 7 days. And in the end, we take the blood too and we measurement of total cholesterol level. For the place and time research, this research was carried out at the Microbiology Laboratorium and Animal Laboratory, Faculty of Medicine, General Ahmad Yani University in November until December 2021. For the data analysis, was performed by 3 dependent tests, and then we continue to one-way ANOVA and post-hoc-wiki. For the results from 3 dependent tests, we can see that from the treatment group 1, the p-value is 0.000, so it can be concluded that there is a significant effect of giving red guava fruit to decrease total cholesterol level. And then for the one-way ANOVA, we can see that from the 5 groups, the p-value is 0.000. So it can be concluded that there is significant difference in total blood cholesterol level of white rats against the 5 treatment groups. And then for the difference in decrease and total cholesterol level after giving Fruitghur and simvastatin, we can see from post-hoc-wiki, it can be shown that positive control compared to treatment group 1, the value is 0.007. So there's a significant meaning, and it can be concluded that red guava Fruitghur can lower cholesterol. But from the treatment 1, 2, and 3 compared to each other, there is no significant meaning. And then lactic acid bacteria contained in Fruitghur can increase the secretion of bile salts hydrolase enzyme, which can increase bile acid excretion so that total blood cholesterol level can be reduced. And lactic acid bacteria can also produce dehydrogenated cholesterol cofactor, which function to active the cholesterol reductase enzyme causing several to be unable to absorb by the intestine, so total cholesterol will decrease. So the conclusion is that guava fruitghur can reduce total cholesterol level in white rats induced by a high fat diet. So that's about my research. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.